In this video, we are going to review the Skillshare website and see is it actually legitimate or is it worth the money to invest in this website and buying their subscription plan. So I will tell you exactly in this video. So if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. So this is their website. As you guys can see that I can continue with my Google account, Facebook, or with my Apple account, or I can simply go with my email. And what I can do is that I can scroll between different sort of their genres, exploring inspiring online courses. For example, I'm gonna can go with the MKBHD, one of the original creators and top creators on the YouTube. I can go ahead and see their reviews and their courses as well on the Skillshare website. Here you guys can see that. There are shop menu where I can buy the digital products or one session or live session as well. So if I go on the digital products, I can go ahead and buy some of the courses that I want to buy. So let's read some of the reviews about the Skillshare online. As you guys can see that this is one of the website which reviews the website as many other websites, but this website has scored it 8.6 out of 10, and which is a very high score. Things we like: user-friendly interface, live sessions and learning paths, plenty of courses to choose from, the possibility to become a teacher. And then if we go down, there are some of the pros and some of the cons. For example, the pros are that I have mentioned earlier, and the con is no certificate upon courses completion. So the table of content are the Skillshare review introduction, which is that so Skillshare is an online learning and education platform, otherwise known as MOOC. It offers students the ability to learn various skills that they can use in their either their careers or personal life, depending upon the situation. What's cool about Skillshare, and is probably the first big point in the Skillshare review, is that doesn't necessarily emphasize a very specific direction for design. You see, many other e-learning platforms have a wide variety of courses, but only recommended promote let's say it IT-based ones. Skillshare, however, focuses on the actual writing instead of sticking to a single topic and neglecting other categories. The only thing is that it emphasized though is that it has to be something creative. Whether you want to build a computer program, learn how to sing, or figure out the best way to clean your fridge, it makes users feel like more included, even if they are not planning to learn the main promoted subject. So this is the review for the Skillshare website. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.